Factories are under pressure, downtime, bottlenecks, rising complexity. You don't need guesses, you need proof. Meet AnyLogic, the software for building a living digital twin of your plant. Test changes in the model, not on the floor. Jump into 3D. See robots move, materials flow, and spaces operate in real scale. Understand the physical picture instantly. Or you can easily switch to 2D to observe and analyze your model dynamics. This turns complex processes into an easy-to-understand view. Gain full process visibility and see your entire workflow at a glance. Instantly spot delays and bottlenecks before they slow you down. Power your line with AnyLogic's material handling library. Drop in conveyors, AGVs, buffers, and sorters, plug-and-play components that move material exactly the way you design. Define routing, capacity, and priority rules, simulate carrier motion, queues, and interactions. Tie physical flows to your process logic, from feeder to pack-out, for real end-to-end visibility. And so comes clarity. Throughput, cycle time, and utilization are clear and comparable. Run experiments, find bottlenecks, and choose the strategy that wins. One tool that handles any process. Assembly lines, batch production, free space transporters, continuous flow production, and liquid material processing. AnyLogic turns production challenges into proven results. Optimized layouts, balanced workflows, and reliable performance across every shift. One platform, endless impact.